Good afternoon. My name is Shamil Boer. I'm the principal of Hazeldean Primary in Mitchells Plain, Cape Town. Well, first of all, we are grateful to Interactive Africa, especially to Roy and Althea, for affording Hazeldean Primary in Mitchells Plain the opportunity to be host for a fantastic roadshow. I think that the roadshow was excellent, very informative, very exciting. It was truly a learning experience for our children here in Mitchells Plain, a learning experience of a different kind and a different nature, something that our learners will remember for the rest of their lives. And if somebody had to ask, does it have any impact or positive impact on our learners? Certainly yes, a big yes. You know, like Lipkin says, yes! I truly believe that the roadshow was so informative. It's just a pity that we couldn't have all the learners of all the schools in Mitchells Plain to be part of this very, very big occasion here at Hazeldean on that particular day. The world map, that huge world map, I think that will be an excellent, fantastic learning aid, especially our HSS, the geography and the history. We're truly thankful to the sponsors of this roadshow for donating that to the school. I think that the organization of the whole roadshow needs a special accolade, especially to the organizers, the project leader, Roy George, and his assistant, Althea Lowe. It was handled excellent from the very beginning that they contacted the school. Everything was done in a very, very professional way. Hazeldean Primary, our neighboring schools, the staff and the parents, we would like to thank Mr. George and Ms. Althea Lowe for a job excellent done. The organization was very, very, very good. As far as the roadshow is concerned in terms of encouraging our learners, you know, it's the first time that learners of Mitchells Plain being introduced to an experience of that nature. Although we stay next to the sea, children of the sea, no one of us had ever have any experience of being on a yacht or see what is happening on the big ocean out there. And to bring Graham Dalton and the young lady from Scotland over to Mitchells Plain as part of their busy, very busy schedule. I believe they should have been very, very tired that particular morning. But to have the time to come out to Mitchells Plain and speak to the children of Mitchells Plain and share their experiences with us and our children, that in itself is an educational and informational experience. I think that the decision to invite two of our learners to accompany Graham Dalton on his yacht, that is the high mark. I think that is the peak of the roadshow. And I can assure you that our two learners are looking forward to enjoy that few hours that's awaiting on them with Graham Dalton and his crew. Graham Dalton alone, yeah, he is his crew. As far as the internet-based education, that we believe that that is the educational tool and vehicle of the future. And if our sponsor, HSBC, can get involved in being a partner in bringing that to schools of especially the disadvantaged areas, certainly Hazeldean would welcome the opportunity to be part of such an enormous and exciting process. Yes, we think that it is excellent, and we think that the road that our sponsors have decided on here, as far as this is concerned, is the right thing. So from Hazeldean Primary, myself and my staff, my parent committee, and the community of Mitchells Plain, once again, thank you very, very much for sharing that wonderful moments out in the ocean with us, and for our sponsors for bringing such wonderful experiences and happenings to the children of Mitchells Plain. Thank you very much.